Hey guys, welcome to FoneLab Studio channel. Today I will talk about fixing PowerPoint not opening on Windows. Option 1. Move PowerPoint to another location. First of all, you can try another location to solve this problem. If you have saved the PowerPoint file on a removable drive, try to move it to the system hard drive and open it. Otherwise, you need to save it to a pen drive or something else you can. This might make you skip the corrupting issue. Of course, it won't always work 100%. You can move to the second solution if you need. Option 2. Reuse sliders. Reuse slides is a special feature of PowerPoint to insert slides of corrupted presentation into new file without opening the broken one. You can watch the following tutorial to learn how. Access reuse slides through Home, New Slide, Reuse Slide, or Insert, New Slide. And then you can click Browse to choose the slide you want to insert from. Click Open. Option 3. Safe Mode. Safe Mode is a simple way you can open your PowerPoint files in working mode, rather with all the formatting. Click to open the PowerPoint file and hold the Control button immediately until a window pops up on screen. Choose Open to see your file. If it didn't work for you, please try the last method you can. Option 4. FoneLab Data Retriever. FoneLab Data Retriever might be the last method you can use to make the corrupted Word file recovery be possible. It is a user-friendly and safe data recovery tool for each user. Visit www.fonelab.com/data-retriever/ to download and install the program on computer, and then run it. You need to choose the scanning data type and location, and then click Start. You have two useful features, which is called Filter and Search to find what you want easily. And finally, select the items from the list and click Recover. That's all. If you want to learn more details, please visit our official site www.fonelab.com or subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.